Hey everyone, welcome back to Math in the Wild. Today we are at Disney California Adventure. We're gonna do something epic. We're gonna calculate the average speed of the Incredicoaster. The Incredicoaster is famous for its launch and drops, so we're gonna see how fast does it really go. First, we're gonna measure how long the ride takes, so I will be timing it. Second, we're gonna look up the distance of the track. It's almost time. We're gonna be tracking it on my stopwatch. That was awesome. Our total recording time was 1 minute and 58 seconds.
I looked it up and the Incredicoaster track is 6,072 feet long. Let's plug in the numbers. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. So 6,072 feet divided by 118 seconds is about 51.45 feet per second. But we want miles per hour, so we're gonna multiply that by 0.681818. When we multiply, we get 35 miles per hour. So the Incredicoaster averages almost 35 miles per hour from start to finish. Pretty cool, right?
This is one of the most exciting problems we've solved. Next time you're at a music park, try figuring out the speed of your favorite coaster.